The mysteries of the universe have fascinated humanity since time immemorial. Exploring the mysteries of the universe helps us search for meaning and purpose. By understanding our place in the cosmos, we gain a broader perspective of our existence and our interconnectedness with the universe. It allows us to ponder fundamental questions about our origins, the nature of life, and our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. On a space mission, NASA astronaut Leland Melvin and a fellow astronaut witnessed an anomalous object floating outside their spacecraft's payload bay that appeared to be organic. NASA initially dismissed it as ice from a Freon hose, but Melvin perceived the object to be curved, translucent, and having an organic appearance. Melvin shared his experience on Twitter, which caused people to praise him for being honest about what he witnessed in space. The occurrence reignited the curiosity of the existence of advanced beings and the likelihood of meeting them while exploring space. Despite NASA's clarification, Melvin's personal testimony triggered doubts about whether there was additional information undisclosed to the public. This event once again points out the dilemma on whether we are the only intelligent life forms or if there are others out there. Melvin's experience contributed to the ongoing argument regarding the presence of advanced life and the possibility of meeting them when venturing into space. While we cannot predict what the future holds, we can relish the excitement of uncertainty until more information is available. Randy Kramer, also known as Captain K, is an individual who has made extraordinary claims about his alleged involvement in a top-secret military program that sent him to Mars for a period of 17 years. According to Kramer's accounts, he was recruited into the Marine Corps Special Section, a covert military organization, and underwent training to prepare him for a mission to Mars. He claims to have participated in various operations and encountered advanced beings during his time on the Red Planet. Kramer's story includes details of advanced technology, encounters with other military personnel, and alleged interactions with different advanced races. Captain K asserts that he spent 2 decades serving in a specialized unit of the United States Marine Corps, stationed off-world. During the majority of that time, he was stationed at an undisclosed Martian base for 17 years, before being reassigned to a spaceship for 3 additional years, following an unfortunate disaster. Randy Kramer claims that as far back as 1960, the government was actively colonizing Mars, all while keeping this undertaking a carefully guarded secret from the general population. By 1975, various covert bases had been established on the planet's surface, ostensibly assigned to research efforts. Refuting the lies regularly reported to the population of the planet, Captain K reports that the planet is inhabited, and the amount of oxygen on its surface is sufficient for human respiration. He personally guarded the borders near one of the northern bases. In this area, according to Captain K, the air is thin, similar to a mountain. The subterranean bases were situated on the planet's surface, with roughly 250 individuals stationed at each one for various purposes. One of these individuals was Randy Kramer, tasked with security and patrolling duties. As part of his duties, the Marine and his team were tasked with investigating the adjacent territory and fending off assaults from individuals residing in the area. Throughout his duration in the service, Randy Kramer regularly engaged with envoys from different societies. To the base's north was a group of indigenous beings with insect-like qualities, while to the south lived other beings. The creatures displayed more hostility towards their neighbors, but no actual conflicts erupted. The insect-like beings preferred subterranean living in burrows, while members of other intelligent species inhabited the planet's surface. The connection with advanced beings remained unpredictable. Their response could range from disregarding the presence of outsiders, engaging in talks, or escalating the situation into minor fights. An unexpected emergency forced him to evacuate the planet due to the obliteration of 2 bases caused by intelligent beings that resembled dragons. Although the natives were able to counter the attack, over 500 settlers from Earth lost their lives. After the attack, the survivors chose not to attempt to travel to the southern bases and opted to leave Mars instead. Randy Kramer returned home and continued serving in the Marine Corps, adhering to strict confidentiality protocols surrounding his previous mission. Captain K revealed that the military had to go public because a majority of the nation's population is at risk due to humanity's chosen technogenic development program, which is causing the Earth's degradation. As a result, off-Earth bases were established to safeguard genetic information and preserve human DNA. However, it is crucial to note that there is a lack of concrete evidence to substantiate Kramer's claims. His accounts rely solely on personal testimony, which is inherently subjective and difficult to verify independently. The absence of corroborating evidence, such as official documentation, photographic evidence, or testimonials from credible sources, raises doubts about the validity of his claims. The International Space Station has served as a platform for scientific research, international cooperation, and technological advancements. It orbits the Earth at an altitude of approximately 408 kilometers, or 253 miles, providing a unique vantage point for observing our planet and the surrounding space. Over the years, the International Space Station has also captured the attention of those who investigate mysterious objects and sparked discussions about unidentified objects spotted in its vicinity. Numerous reports and alleged sightings of unidentified objects near the International Space Station have surfaced, capturing the interest and curiosity of people around the world. These sightings range from peculiar lights and objects to more distinct, structured craft. Videos and images captured by the International Space Station cameras have fueled speculation and debate about the presence of extraterrestrial activity in our solar system. One of the notable sightings near the International Space Station occurred in 2014, when a live feed captured an object appearing to rise from Earth's atmosphere. As the object gained altitude, it accelerated and disappeared from view, leaving many viewers perplexed. Similar sightings have been reported at different times, raising questions about the origin and nature of these unidentified objects. There are various possible explanations for the sightings, including misidentifications of known objects, atmospheric phenomena, space debris, or camera artifacts. However, it is also important to acknowledge that there are cases where unexplained objects or phenomena have been captured on camera near the International Space Station. These instances generate interest and encourage further investigation and analysis. Space agencies, such as NASA and other international counterparts, thoroughly examine these sightings, utilizing their expertise in image analysis, data interpretation, and scientific inquiry to understand the nature of these events. Exploring the unknown and pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge is an integral part of human nature. The sightings near the space station spark our imagination and curiosity, inviting us to ponder the existence of intelligent life beyond our planet. They inspire discussions about the possibilities of extraterrestrial visitation, technological advancements, and the mysteries of the universe. The study of mysterious aircraft sightings near the space station also underscores the importance of continued space exploration and scientific research. As we venture further into space, equipped with advanced instruments and technology, we have the opportunity to investigate these phenomena more comprehensively. Advancements in space-based telescopes, remote sensing, and robotic explorations enable us to unravel the mysteries of our cosmos and potentially shed light on the nature and origins of these unidentified objects. The mystery object seen hovering above Mars. NASA has shared a collection of shots taken by the Curiosity rover, among which one picture displays an anomalous white light on Mars. The image was captured utilizing the navcam of the rover, which is a type of camera used by robotic rovers or spacecrafts to take broad-angle photographs, and it serves as the eye of the rover. On June 16, 2019, a photograph was captured displaying a peculiar white light, that was not visible in photos taken just moments before. According to a representative of NASA, who spoke to Fox News, the abnormality in the images is probably related to the Sun, and similar effects are commonly observed. In 2014, while examining the surface of Mars, the Curiosity rover detected a peculiar, unexplained white light. Interestingly, the light only appeared in the images captured by the rover's right camera, and not in the photos taken moments later by its left camera. According to Dr. Justin Mackey from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the light that was observed may have been caused by a rock surface reflecting sunlight. Its primary objective is to explore Mars and determine whether the planet has the potential to support microbial life. NASA reported that the Curiosity rover discovered the highest recorded levels of methane during its mission, in addition to a peculiar image that was made public. This discovery is interesting because methane is typically associated with microbial life on Earth, although it can also be produced by interactions between water and rocks. The last photograph captured by the Phobos 2 mission. The Phobos 2 mission, launched by the Soviet Union in 1988, was intended to explore the Martian moon Phobos. However, the mission encountered a mysterious anomaly that has sparked intrigue and speculation among space enthusiasts. The incident involving Phobos 2 has become known as the Phobos 2 anomaly, and it continues to captivate the imagination of those interested in unexplained phenomena. Phobos 2 successfully entered Mars's orbit and began its mission to study Phobos. It captured valuable images and data of the Martian moon, providing valuable insights into its composition and surface features. However, the mission took an unexpected turn when the spacecraft suddenly lost contact with mission control. Efforts to re-establish communication were unsuccessful, and the mission was ultimately declared lost. What makes the Phobos 2 anomaly intriguing is the series of unusual images captured by the spacecraft just before the communication failure. One of the most striking images is a dark, elongated object that appears to be moving near Phobos. Some have speculated that this object may be an unidentified object or an advanced spacecraft. The image, along with the sudden loss of communication, has fueled theories of potential encounters with extraterrestrial beings or unexplained phenomena. The Sun, our closest star, has long been a subject of fascination and intrigue. Apart from its essential role in sustaining life on Earth, the Sun has also been associated with numerous unidentified object sightings and mysterious objects captured in images and videos. This phenomenon of strange objects seen around the Sun has captivated the attention of enthusiasts and researchers, sparking debates and speculation about extraterrestrial activity and unexplained phenomena. One of the most commonly reported sightings is that of unidentified objects or anomalies appearing to interact with or move near the Sun. These sightings have been captured by various solar observation spacecraft and telescopes, such as the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory and the Solar Dynamics Observatory, which are dedicated to studying the Sun and its activities. Images and videos released by these observatories show peculiar objects or anomalies that appear to be spherical, disc-shaped, or even triangular in nature. These objects sometimes exhibit unusual movement patterns or emit bright flashes of light. Some argue that these sightings could be evidence of advanced spacecraft using the Sun's energy as a power source or for other unknown purposes. However, it is important to approach these claims with critical thinking and consider alternative explanations. Many of these sightings can be attributed to image artifacts, such as sensor malfunctions, cosmic rays, or pixelation errors. These factors can produce false positives or distortions in the recorded data, leading to the appearance of unidentified objects. Furthermore, the Sun is an extremely dynamic and active celestial body. It exhibits intense solar flares, prominences, and coronal mass ejections, which can generate complex plasma formations and magnetic interactions. These natural phenomena can produce visual anomalies or shapes that may be mistaken for unidentified objects. The mystery of Dyson Spheres. The concept of a Dyson sphere, first proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960, has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike. A Dyson sphere is a hypothetical megastructure that encompasses a star to harness its energy for the benefit of an advanced civilization. This colossal construction would completely surround the star, capturing and utilizing its energy output on an unprecedented scale. The idea behind the Dyson Sphere stems from the realization that as civilizations become more advanced and energy demands increase, the resources of a single planet may prove insufficient. By enveloping a star with a megastructure, a civilization could harness a significant portion of the star's energy, providing virtually limitless power for their technological needs. One of the most common visualizations of a Dyson sphere is a massive shell or swarm of orbiting structures around the star. These structures could be designed to capture and convert the star's energy into usable forms, such as electricity or other energy sources. In its fully realized form, a Dyson sphere would enable an advanced civilization to harness a significant fraction of their star's energy output. The implications of a Dyson sphere are profound. Not only would it provide abundant energy for the civilization that constructs it, but it would also have a substantial impact on the star itself. By capturing and utilizing such a significant portion of the star's energy, a Dyson sphere could alter the star's radiation output and potentially extend its lifespan. This has led to further speculation about the potential benefits and consequences of such a megastructure. While the concept of a Dyson sphere is compelling, it poses significant challenges from both a technological and practical standpoint. The construction of such a massive structure would require immense resources, advanced engineering capabilities, and a level of coordination and organization beyond our current capabilities. Additionally, the sheer scale of a Dyson sphere would require the ability to manipulate and utilize materials on a planetary or even stellar scale. Furthermore, the energy requirements to construct a Dyson sphere and the potential impact on a star's energy output raise questions about the feasibility and sustainability of such a structure. The immense heat generated by capturing a star's energy could pose challenges for maintaining the integrity of the megastructure and ensuring the safety of any inhabitants or machinery within it. Despite these challenges, the concept of a Dyson sphere continues to inspire scientific exploration and imagination. Researchers and scientists are investigating alternative approaches and variations of the original concept, such as Dyson swarms or partial Dyson structures, which may be more attainable and practical. From a science fiction perspective, the concept of a Dyson sphere has been widely depicted in literature, movies, and other media, often serving as a backdrop for stories exploring advanced civilizations, interstellar travel, and the potential consequences of harnessing vast amounts of energy. The mystery of wormholes. The concept of wormholes, often depicted in science fiction, has long fascinated scientists and theorists as a potential means for interstellar travel. These hypothetical tunnels through space-time could provide shortcuts between distant points in the universe, allowing for faster-than-light travel and enabling exploration beyond our own solar system. If such wormholes exist, advanced civilizations could theoretically utilize them as a means of traversing vast cosmic distances. Wormholes are theorized as connections between different regions of space-time, creating a shortcut that bypasses the need to traverse the vast distances of the universe. They are often visualized as tunnels or bridges that connect two distant points, allowing for near-instantaneous travel between them. However, the actual existence and properties of wormholes remain purely theoretical and have yet to be observed or confirmed by scientific observation. If advanced civilizations were to possess the technology and knowledge to harness wormholes, it would revolutionize their ability to explore and travel through the cosmos. The vastness of the universe poses significant challenges for interstellar travel, with the limitations of light speed making it impractical to travel to even the nearest star systems within a human lifetime. Wormholes could offer a potential solution to this problem by providing shortcuts through space-time, effectively reducing travel times to astronomical scales. By utilizing wormholes, advanced civilizations could access distant regions of the universe that would otherwise be inaccessible within a reasonable time frame. This would open up new frontiers for exploration, allowing them to study and interact with other star systems, planets, and potentially even other intelligent life forms. The ability to traverse great cosmic distances quickly and efficiently could lead to profound scientific discoveries, cultural exchange, and the potential for collaboration between civilizations. However, the practical utilization of wormholes presents significant challenges. The stability and maintenance of wormholes, the energy requirements for creating and sustaining them, and the potential dangers associated with traversing these exotic structures are all major obstacles that would need to be overcome. Theoretical physicists continue to explore the feasibility of wormholes and investigate the potential technologies and energy sources that could be employed to manipulate and utilize them. Furthermore, the existence of stable, navigable wormholes in the universe is still a topic of intense scientific investigation. While wormholes are allowed within the framework of Einstein's general theory of relativity, their formation and stability require the existence of exotic matter with negative energy densities, which have yet to be observed or fully understood. Theoretical models also suggest that wormholes may be extremely short-lived or unstable, making their practical utilization challenging. It is important to note that our current understanding of physics is limited, and our knowledge of wormholes and their potential uses by advanced civilizations remains speculative. The exploration of wormholes and their implications for interstellar travel is an active area of research, but significant advancements are needed before we can fully grasp their nature and practical applications. So, what do you make of these mysterious space discoveries? Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comment section below and help us to grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.